Why does cracking your neck feel good, even though it can be dangerous? You see, most people think it's just harmless relief, and that popping sound is very satisfying. But what's really happening is much riskier than it seems. So what's actually going on inside your neck? I'll tell you. But before I tell you if you love money more than your mom, ignore this, but if you love your mom more than money, hit that like button, subscribe, share this video, also comment. I love you, Mom. The pop is just gas, bubbles releasing in joint fluid, but aggressive twisting can injure a vessel, and in rare cases cause a clot that may lead to a stroke.